afternoon, class 2nd students. This is your GK book, page number 15. Page number 15. Reading the weather. In this page, we will read the weather, that how the weather is. Weather symbols tell us what the weather will be like in a particular place. Full stop. So, these are the weather symbols which are given, and they will tell us that what is the weather in a particular place. Now first, use this weather chart to fill in the blanks in Agreem's diary. So this is a weather chart which is given to you to fill in the blanks in Agreem's diary. Find out what he did last week. One has been done for you. So we have to find out what he has done last week. First, Monday. Today was dash. We had a football match at school and I scored a goal. Full stop. So on Monday, how the weather is? It is sunny. The sun is shining. SUNNY, sunny. Second, then Tuesday. Today it was dash. Full stop. I thought it would rain. Full stop. So this is a Tuesday and there are clouds. So when the weather is cloud, we always thought that so the weather is cloudy. CLOUDY, cloudy. Wednesday, hooray. Today was a dash day. Full stop. When I came back from school, I had fun floating paper boats. Full stop. So on Wednesday, these are clouds and it is raining. So RAINY, raining. On Wednesday it was raining. So what he did? He was floating paper boats. Fourth, then comes Thursday. There was a dash today. Full stop. In the evening, I saw many trees has fallen down. When the trees fallen down, what the weather was? In this Thursday, you can see it is the lightning is coming and then the weather is thunderstorm. STUNDERSTORM, thunderstorm. Fifth, Friday. It was very dash today. Full stop. A funny thing happened on my way to school. Full stop. My cab flew away. When the wind comes very strong, then the weather is, you can see this is a Friday and wind is coming from the cloud. So the weather was windy. WINDY, windy. 6, weekend. Saturday was dash again, but on Sunday it was dash. So I went for a picnic with my family. Full stop. So on Saturday, how was the weather? The weather was cloudy. The cloud, you can see the cloud on sun. So it is cloudy. CLOUDY, cloudy. And on Sunday it was sunny again. SUNNY, sunny. So what he did? He go for a picnic with his family. So these are the pictures of the weather which shows that what weather will be in a place. जो भी place है उधर कैसा weather होगा. Now, next 16, page number are India. Costumes of India. In this, we will write the different costume which we wear in India, which people wear in different parts of India. People from different states of India wear different dresses. Full stop. Can you label them? We have to label them that which states have this type of dresses. With the people who live there, they wear these types of dresses. Now first, you can see this is a dress which is in Goa people wear these type of dresses. So you will write Goanese, GOANESE. Now second, this dress is wear in Bengali. People in Bengali. Bengali. Bengali peoples wear this kind of dresses. Now third, Ladakhi. People in Ladakh wear this type of dresses. Ladakhi. Ladakhi. Now fourth, there is sari and dhoti kurta. And in Malayali people wear this kind of dresses. Malayali. Now fifth, this is a very easy. It is turban. The man is wearing a turban and salwar kameez, and man is wearing dhoti kurta with jacket. So where does it is Punjabi. 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 Now sixth, this the girl is wearing ghagra choli and this man is wearing koti with dhoti. So in Rajasthani people wear like this type of clothes. Rajasthani. Rajastain. Rajasthani. Now seventh one is left, which Kashmiri. So we will write Kashmiri. Kashmiri. So this was your page number 16. Now do it in your book, and if you don't have book, then do it in your notebook and see these dresses again, which people wear in different states of India. So complete your work. Thank you.